Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate the ASMR toast video on Pixverse AI. I'm going to select generate video here. You can also change the model. I'll do this one, I guess. You can select whichever one you want, and then you're going to select a sound. Okay, I'll do 5 seconds actually, and then here I'm going to paste this. If you want the prompt, I'll give it in the description box down below, and I'll put the sound here as well. Let me see what, okay, I'll do 5 seconds, and then for the camera you can adjust it. I think I'm just going to like leave it. You can also change the style here if you want to. I'll do smooth motion here, and then I'm going to select create. I'll do standard motion, and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. It doesn't take that long to generate this, so I'm just gonna wait. So this is what the toast video should look like. It's not the most perfect thing, but that is it. I hope it is for I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.